Hi, I just arrived at Hilton Oak Brooks. It's a suites, and I'll show you how the room looks like. So I just came in here about 5 plus. What time is it now? Yeah, about 6 p.m. So this is how it looks like. Has a small cabinet with a microwave, oven, refrigerator, pantries, study table, and that's my new coach bag. New coach bag from Lighthouse Premium Outlet. I haven't seen the view outside. This is the Oak Brooks area. Can't see much, it's dark. Next to this place is a theater. That's the TV, and now I'll walk you to the bedroom. Double king size bed with a TV, and yep, that's what it is. A view to the bathroom, and it's connecting to the entrance that you just saw. Hey, it's me again. Hi. Hi, Liv. Hi, Liv. It's nice. I'll be staying here until next Friday. So this is where I just started. And that's the overall view. See you. Bye.